G'day all. Today we're going to have another look at the Pentium 75 Olivetti computer. The BIOS in recent weeks has been complaining about the RAM being wrong, which it's only counting 8 megabytes out of 24, so it's only counting a third of its memory. But I don't have a keyboard attached to it at the moment, but don't need a keyboard to see this. But yeah, I'll switch it on. Yeah, so now it's detecting 16 megabytes, but there's an extra 8 megabytes in there. So and it's saying the CMOS battery state is low. CMOS battery is one of these. Those little Dallas real-time clock modules. Apparently I was doing some research and well, apparently I got lucky. This is a rechargeable model, so yeah, it's pretty cool, that. But anyways, suppose I might try having a look into trying some different RAM modules out and trying to give the RAM slots themselves a bit of a clean. Okay, so I attacked the RAM slots and RAM modules with some methylated spirits, and it's still not working. It's saying it's detecting 7,872 kilobytes, which isn't correct. Should be something like 24 megabytes. So time to dig out some old EDO RAM. Okay, so after having a bit of a dig around in my collection of EDO RAM, I found 2 8 megabyte sticks, booted the computer up, detected 16,000 K properly. Of course, that extra 384K is reading somewhere that apparently they don't count. Well, they count the number of RAM, or the amount of RAM minus 384Ks. I'm not entirely sure exactly why, but try and find the video that talks about that, and then I'll link it in the description. But I've stuck another 16 megabytes in here, so let's see if it detects 32 megabytes. And it does. So, looks as though the culprit was this RAM. Now, I could go on to diagnose it further, but I've got 32 megabytes of working RAM in here, so yeah. Another issue I was having was it didn't want to boot from the hard drive, but that could possibly be because it wasn't happy with the RAM. So I suppose I'll hook a keyboard up to this and see if it boots. Okay, so got a keyboard hooked up in the BIOS setup, trying to detect the master drive. Don't remember whether I showed this BIOS setup before, but this is what the BIOS setup of this machine looks like. Oh, and it has not detected the hard disk, so I don't think it's configured as slave, but check that anyways. If in doubt, I'll just throw another hard drive in there. Already backed up what's on here, so I was already warned by a scan disk that this hard drive the failure could be impending on this hard drive, so I think that may have happened, but I'll set the boots anyways. What's it saying? An auto adjustment on the screen. FDC failure. Oh, that'd be floppy drive. Okay. And yeah, it's not going to boot. Okay, so after a bit of troubleshooting and quite a bit of work, got it to boot into an operating system. So currently using a Quantum Bigfoot hard drive, one of the old 5.25 inch ones. That won't stay in here because this computer only takes 3.5 inch hard drives. So, but it's working though, and it does boot into the operating system. So I think this computer is just about ready for sort of a proper overview on. So thanks for watching.